So hello everyone, this is your guy Primus and welcome back to another video. So today another video, and this time I'm going to show you a legal AI assistant which will answer your legal questions real time, and it will also automatically will send to clients. Let's see how. Alright, so we are starting. Here we go. So this is our legal AI advisor. We can select our country from here or here. We have light and dark mode, and I'm going to select, let's say, United States. And we have research depth, the website count. As we know, the number of websites we can use, the higher the number of amount, the higher accuracy, but takes longer to respond. Okay, so our legal question, let's ask, is it alright? Submit. So the question was, is it legal for boss to reduce wages without prior information? As we know, it's not, but let's see how it will answer. So our webhook data will go from LLM chain, then LLM chain our uses perplexity model to get the real-time website data. Then it will go to split out node as for multiple websites. Then our AI agent, our GPT 4.1 mini will handle everything. It will crawl, think, calculate, and will respond to webhook. And our second webhook, I will tell about this later. So this is our response, as you can see, and it also give us legal source. Now, alright, redoing it because of some technical problem. I am asking the question again. Please select a country first. Okay, so we will select United States again, and we will ask it again. And in the meantime, this was our workflow, and the first workflow perfectly worked. The problem was the second workflow wasn't showing, so I'm redoing it after fixing the problem. So in the meantime, I can explain what is going on. So the perplexity sonar is giving us the website. The split out node will help us to aggregate those websites together. Then we will use Tavily to gather the website information, the specific query we need, calculate if we need something calculations, and think for thinking and responding. I can even connect this think tool with here. Yeah, it looks good because, well, this AI agent doesn't need that thinking, but still we have connected it. Okay, let's see. So here is the response. Now this time it has generated 3 legal sources, and these sources actually work. As you can see, state labor laws and source 1. So as you can see, all the thing works. Now forward to client. Now that's where our second webhook comes and point. So here it is. Our second webhook. What does? It sends the data to the client. So for lawyers, it's going to be very helpful. It can be via email or in text message. And if you already have their email or text message, you can use the client data. So what will this do? It uses the Google Sheets to get the client data. Either they have number or email. It will use that and send mail or message. Let's try this. And I'm going to use, let's say, I'm going to use my own email. Now I will send it to client. Wait, let me check my email first. Okay, so our P is small. Okay, now we are sending it to client. Sent successfully, and we will check the email, and we will get the email soon. Wait just a second. In the meantime, you can check the executions, and it's running. And the execution, you can see the succeeded part of our question response. We can also add an option to book a meeting and appointment, but only if the customer asks. Let's say if I am selling this to a lawyer, if they specifically ask me to do that, so I will do that. And if they even need the second part of the webhook, if they don't need, I just or whatever they like. Okay, the mail has been successfully sent, and as you can see, the question, answer, legal principles, and even sources. So as you can see, it was perfectly right. So that was it for today's video. It was about our legal AI assistant. We can add many more things like booking appointments and everything else, like giving them an personal chatbot. And speaking of chatbot, there is another video coming for related to chatbots, but not this time. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.